Primary, the University of Ottawa, the University of Ottawa. Secondary, the University of Ottawa, the University of Ottawa. Both microphones, the University of Ottawa, the University of Ottawa. So right now we're going to show you our testing of the system. We have our circuit over here, which is running on two 9-volt batteries. There are two inputs connected to the two microphones on the user's chest. They're approximately 6 centimeters apart. We have the output over here going onto the digital signal processing unit, which is the laptop that takes care of the filtering and analyzing of these recordings. Okay, so now for our second test, we're going to be testing the radio noise while driving at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour.
Home chefs love their kitchen tools. That's why home chefs love bathing. This weekend at Hudson's Bay.
Quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog.
This weekend at Hudson's Bay, the 15-piece Lagos.
Quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog.
Okay, so now for our highway testing, we're going to be doing 100 kilometers per hour with one window open, which is the driver's window. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog.
The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog.